Hello, this is Mark Shields, one of the pastors at Life Point Church, and I'm just going to go through a real simple, hopefully pretty quick video on how to send out a mail merge. If you're a leader at Life Point, a life group leader, or you're in ministry, or you're even staff, you're going to end up needing to know how to send out a mail merge to your groups, send out a mail merge to your parents, or anybody else who you need to send out a mail merge to in your group. So real simple, you got to log in first to CCB. So I'm going to do that. As you can see here, once you've logged into CCB, your profile will pop up. You may have something different. It may pop up on your home screen, but regardless of what it looks like from this point, you're going to have some options over here to the left. Now, you may not have all the ones that I have because you may not have certain permissions, but if you are a life group leader or you're an administrator at the church or staff, you are going to have the options for mail merges, which are down here. So right here you can click on mail merge, and then from that point I've got a lot of mail merges, as you can see, but if this is your first time, you won't have any, but you'll have right over here, compose a new mail merge is where you want to start. You can click on compose a new mail merge, and then what you want to do is create this title that will be on your mail merge list. And just for today's sake, I'm going to put student ministry email, so that I know that that's my student ministry email. Actually, I'll put our campus, just so that I know that, because sometimes I send out emails for other campuses as well. So that's just for me. So Life Point Westerville student ministry email, then you would do whatever you want to send out. Let's just imagine we're sending email to parents, so we call that our parent point. So I'll just put parent point email update, and then that's what the title will be, obviously, and then you put the body. And just for now, I'm just going to type in some stuff. Okay, so there's the body of your email, and then you'll want to click save here at the bottom, and then here is the unique part where you can choose recipients. So once you click choose recipients, you should have this tab pop up, and you can choose recipients from all these different areas. Generally, what's nice is when I send them out, the two that I typically send mail merges to the most are individually by name. And if I have a group of people I want to send it to, I can click that, type in each of their names, and then that email will go to them. Or we have it from a group. Now, if you're serving in a ministry or you're a life group leader, your group should already be set up by a coach or one of the staff members at the church. Sometimes you end up making your own groups, and if so, you'll know exactly what this is like. But if this is your first time, you probably already have a group set up. And for student ministry, we do have a parent group. So what I'm going to do is put parent for a group, parents. This is a nice feature too. You can click on the different people that you want to invite. So you can click on the members of that group and their spouse and their children if you want it to go out to each of those people, because some parents put in emails for their children in CCB, so that can go out to that. But for this just example, we're going to send it to our student parents. So I'll type in students, and then you'll have, look right there, Life Point Westerville student parent group. As you type, you can see your different groups pop up, and we want to do our student parent group, so we would click on that. Of course, right now there's 50 members. If I wanted to click on primary contact for the family and spouse, that way both sides of the family, if they have their emails and CCB, will get it. I click on add recipients, and there you go. Now my recipients, I've got 60 people added there to send out a mail merge to. And then what you can do is, this is real nice, you can click over on step 3 as you finish up, and then you click here, yes, I want to send out as an email. You can also do a nice feature and click here and send it to yourself as a CSV file, which you can export to other servers, or you can even export to an Excel doc, copy and paste if you'd want to set up a spreadsheet or something like that. And then finally, once you click what options you like, you come down here, click send, and then you'll see that. I'm not going to do that portion right now because I don't want parents to get my gibberish email, but that is how you do it. And once that's set up, it gets saved in your profile under your mail merges, which is really nice, just like you originally saw with mine. I've got a number of emails, and so whenever you would click on it, let's say you want to do the student parent point right here, that's the email I just made. You click on it and then it's saved just like you had it. I've already created a student parent point, but this is mine. And then what you can do is weekly kind of update this, put in what you want, and then once that's done, choose recipients, same process we just talked through, send it out, and that way it's really easy to manage and it's always there. So that is how, in a nutshell, how you send out a mail merge. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me. I'll put my email at the bottom of this video. And then, yeah, thank you guys for serving.